Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be showing you guys my VIB Sephora haul, and they have the VIB event going on right now. It's between I think April 25th or 26th till May 6th. So I have a little, it's actually not a little box, I have a pretty big box here with all of my goodies, and I didn't get that many things. It just looks like I got a lot because there's one item that's fairly big. So they sent me like a bigger box. But basically the VIB sale is for VIB members or Beauty Insider members. So the highest tier is VIB Rouge, which is the tier that I'm at. So I ended up getting 20% off my entire purchase. If you're a VIB member, you get like 15% off, and then the Beauty Insiders get like 10% off. So even if you sign up and you're a Beauty Insider, it's free to sign up and you get 10% off your entire purchase. So that's pretty good. But I'm just gonna go through and just show you guys what's inside this box that I have here. So I just put the box on top of my lap so I can just grab stuff out of here. But really quickly, if you have the Sephora app, you can actually get free samples with every order. So now they do like 2 free samples, and then I use the promo for the VIB sale. But if you don't use that promo or any promo, there's promos that you can get like free full-size sample products if you spend like $25 or $35. So yeah, getting the app is very helpful if you want to get like some extra goodies. But I only picked out 2 samples and they sent me 4, so that's pretty nice of them. I ended up getting the Clinique Prep Start sample. I got the Bare Minerals Original Foundation sample, which this is my favorite. I love using this on days that I'm like lazy and I don't want to do my makeup. I'll just like put this powder all over my face and head out the door. It's very fast and easy, so I do love this stuff. It's really good. And then they gave me 2 perfume samples. I actually have a ton of perfume samples from ordering from the app, and I'm gonna give like almost all of them to my mom because it's just like overwhelming and it's too much perfume. But they ended up giving me this Bulgari Omnia perfume. I've never smelled it, but it looks really pretty. And then they gave me this is a classic, the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet perfume. So yeah, I love that one too. So yeah, those are the little samples that they threw in as little extras. I'm just gonna take these things out randomly from the box. I only have like 7 products because some of the stuff that I wanted to get was sold out. I definitely wanted to pick up one of the Game of Thrones lipsticks, and I didn't want to just get any like lipstick just because it's Game of Thrones, but I did see the Sansa Stark one, and it's a really pretty like nude peach color, so I really love that. But it ended up selling out, so yeah, I didn't have luck with that. But one of the things I did end up getting is this lip cheat. It's the Lip Cheat by Charlotte Tilbury, and this one says reshape resize lip liner. I already have a small one, but it's like all used up and it's probably expired by now, but I ended up using that on my lips today. And I just love this lip liner because you can kind of fill your lips in a little bit, and I don't know, it just makes them look really nice. And one thing I love about it is it stays put all day. Like if I eat food and stuff, it stays on. I have some other lip liners that I apply that are still like around the same price point, and they just kind of completely come off when I eat. So this is like a really good lip liner, and I got mine in the color Iconic Nude. It's a perfect nude shade, and you can use it with any color lipstick. So I ended up getting this, and my other favorite one is the Pillow Talk color. It's so pretty. So yeah, I got the Charlotte Tilbury lip pencil. This is a new item at Sephora. It's the Natasha Denona Bronze and Glow. It's just like a mini on-the-go palette, and it just brings a bronzer and highlighter. So it's just a really small palette like this, and it brings a highlighter. It's like a golden highlighter and a bronzer that's a little bit darker. I'm gonna be tanning very soon, so I needed something a little bit more like a deep tone. So I ended up getting this, and let's see if it says the name of the shades here. It says Glow something. I don't know, I can't even read this, it's so small. But yeah, this is the Bronze and Glow little palette. I also think this is going to be perfect for traveling because it's really small and cute. So I'm going to try this out. I don't know if I should do my biggest purchase now or if I should save it for last. I think I'm going to save it for last because it's really nice, the big item that I have in the box. But I also picked up the Versali Skin Tune Blur, and I saw a lot of people using this like on Instagram, and I wanted to try it out because Versali, like, I just love their oils and their products. So I ended up getting this, and yeah, I need like something new for a primer or like something to blur before foundation, so I definitely want to try this out. And I also love the color of this box. This is so pretty now for like the summertime. It just gives me like summertime vibes. So yeah, this is just a perfecting primer serum, and I'm probably gonna try this out in like one of my next videos. But yeah, I ended up getting this one as well. Something I restocked on was this House of Lashes glue. This stuff is so good. If you use lash glue and you have a problem with like your eyelashes lifting and stuff, this is the perfect glue for you because this stuff like stays put. And I've used eyelashes that look like eyelash extensions before, and for vacation I kind of left them in for a day and they actually stayed on and they didn't fall out. So yeah, this glue is really good. I usually get the one that's in dark black, so as you see it's like a black glue, and they have a white one too that once you apply it, it goes clear. But I just love this one because it covers my lashes really nicely, and I don't feel like I have to put a ton of eyeliner at the root of my lashes. So yeah, I usually get this one. I've been using this one for years, and I don't know, it's just my favorite glue, so I just restocked on this one. And then I have two more, let's see. Yeah, I have two more items left, and this here is like such a good product. These are the Velour Effortless lashes, and these aren't really new. The ones that I got here are new. They just came out with I think 3 or 4 new styles, but I have tried these lashes before and they're really good because if you have like small eyes like myself, or even if you have a little bit of bigger eyes, you don't have to trim these at all, and they have like a really nice flare to them. They look really pretty. And yeah, it's kind of hard sometimes to find lashes that fit my eyes because I have like smaller eyes, and sometimes if I wear lashes that are too big, I'm gonna look kind of crazy. So yeah, I've been loving these. I used these a lot last summer, and one good thing about these lashes too are that you can reuse them. So you can use these I think up to 30 times. Yeah, I think up to like 30 times. You can just like clean them and peel off the glue and reuse them. So yeah, I always keep this little case that comes with them. Let me see if I can open this. It's like taped in here really good. But yeah, I always keep them in this case, so if I wear them and I'm gonna take them off, I'll just put them right back in here so I don't lose them or kind of damage them. But there was one time where I took them off and it was late night. We were watching a show downstairs, and my puppy Emmy ended up getting to them and she kind of like chewed one of them up. So I had to sadly throw them away, but I did use those about like 10 times. I wanted to try this new style, and this one's called No Drama, and they're like really pretty. I like that they're kind of shorter towards the inner part of your eye, and then they flare out. It just looks really nice with my eye shape. And yeah, I just love this little acrylic box that it comes in. It's really cute. And a little hack that I have is that I put the little glue from House of Lashes in here, and it fits perfectly, and I close it up, and I just use it like this when I'm traveling. That way if the glue like breaks or spills or something, it won't get like all inside my makeup bag, and it'll just be kept in here. I think these two are just meant to be together. So the last thing that I have inside my box for the VIB sale is the Moschino Sephora laptop palette. And to be honest with you, I love their eyeshadows. I purchased the like teddy bear one that they had before. It's like a gold teddy bear, and every time I look at it, it makes me so happy. And the fact that all the eyeshadows are very buttery and pigmented, it's just a really good palette. So I was just kind of looking around, and out of all the new palettes, I didn't see anything that really caught my eye until I saw this, and so I wanted to try it out. The cutest part is that it looks just like a little laptop. It's so adorable. I'm just gonna open it up. Oh my gosh, this has a huge mirror inside. I don't know if you guys can see that there, but it's huge. It fills up like the whole entire palette. This is gonna be so good for traveling. It's like having a little vanity mirror. But yeah, the shades on here are so gorgeous. I'm not gonna go through all the shade names or swatch it, because I am going to be doing a video on this very soon, just swatching the colors and trying it out. But this is definitely what I was looking for. I wanted something with a lot of bright colors for the spring and summer, and I like that it has a lot of neutral colors up here too, so you can pretty much create any look with this palette. If it's anything like the last palette, that I know the eyeshadows are going to be very pigmented and really good. But yeah, this is so cute. It's like, it looks just like a laptop. Like, you can like be on your laptop while you do your makeup. How cute is that? If you're gonna buy something like a palette or perfume, any like makeup or anything that's a little bit more costly, then I think you should definitely take advantage, because you get a good percentage off. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that I got. That was my little haul slash what's in my box. But anyway, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys soon.